guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to jump in to the Divine Braè Deep Cosmetic Hair Treatment Mask. So that's what we're going to be doing today. This was gifted to me by Braè. And I just got out of the shower and we are going to start the process. So if you would like to see how it goes, then just keep on watching. So Braè reached out to me a little bit ago and they sent it and it didn't say from Braè on the package, so I didn't know who sent it. So I hadn't used it and they reached back out to me and asked me if I had tried it, and I asked them if it was a deep conditioning mask and they said yes. So that's what we're going to do today. This is what it looks like. It says to start, it says to put it on clean hair. It did not say wet or dry. And my hair is pretty soft. I've been using that Viore Long Sheen Rice shampoo. And I've been pretty happy with that. But we're going to try this out and see the results. I should have took a before picture, I am sorry. But it says to start from the bottoms of your hair. I should have brushed it out. Massage it into your ends until you make it to the top of your scalp. So that's what we are going to do. And of course, y'all know I don't use a whole lot of heat on my hair. I haven't had my hair dyed in a year and a half, I think. Maybe longer, maybe 2 years. So I've just kind of been letting it do its own thing, trying to get to the gray part. The gray hair. That's what I want, gray. So, how's everybody been doing? Sorry I have been absent, but we have had a lot going on. Our refrigerator broke, and it's been broken for 2 weeks, week and a half, 2 weeks. And I bought some filters off of Amazon, thinking I would save, $30. And it seriously tore up my refrigerator. So please, if you have a refrigerator with a filter in it, don't ever buy off-brand filters. I know that the Whirlpool filters and the other filters are very expensive, but don't do it. You'll regret it. Yeah. I'm going to grab something to massage this into my scalp. I use in the shower to do my shampoo and conditioner. And this kind of wakes up the scalp, the hair follicles on your head. So I'm going to use this to make sure it's in the scalp. These are amazing. I have them in my storefront on Amazon. I love them. And it feels so good in the shower to just massage your head with this. I love it. I'm going to brush it out with this. I'm going to put my hair up in my hair towel and let it set for 20 minutes. Here's my hair towel. Okay, so now we have this on. This does feel really nice in your hands. And let me see if it has a smell to it. It has a little light scent of something to it. So I am going to set the timer and we will be back in 20 minutes after I rinse my hair. And we will see what the hair looks like after I dry it. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Guys, we're back. I'm trying to towel dry it just a little bit. Let me get my spray in. I don't do anything without Kenra. I spray a couple pumps on my palm of my hand and then just kind of go through just to protect my hair from any heat damage. And it's actually over a decade old, 10 years old, and it still works perfectly. So of course I'm going to fast forward you through all of this. So soft. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh, that is so soft. I cannot believe, oh, I wish y'all could like feel through the camera how soft this is. This is incredible. Could use this every week. I'm not sure, but wow. And I think they have more products. I didn't really go over and pick out anything. They just sent this to me. Thank you, Braè, for sending this to me. I really like it. If you all can see, my hair is so soft. And you know, starting at the ends is like for fried hair. If your hair is fried or damaged, this would be so good for that. Seriously, guys, this would be so good for that if your hair is damaged, which mine is not. I might have just a little bit right here on the ends, you know, from curling my hair or flat ironing it from time to time. But go check them out. If I have a discount code, it'll be below, and I will link them below. And thank you again, Braè, for sending this over to me. I absolutely, positively loved it. My hair is so soft, so silky, so smooth. I'm just blown away. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern lady from the South, then please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to all so you don't miss an upload. And I will leave all my links to my social medias down below. You want to go and follow me there because you don't want to miss nothing. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Stay blessed.